Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Is this how you open it? Find the keys. Oh. I'll take that. No! Oh, fuck me. My name is Robert, and I'm an Arctic biologist who was tracking a polar bear for research until I ended up getting caught in a sudden snowstorm. I'm now lost, and what's worse, night has begun to fall. Out of sheer luck, I stumbled across a small hut and immediately took shelter in it. However, the hut has no power, and without it, I'll surely freeze to death. I need to figure out how I'm going to escape this predicament. I'm just gonna follow these lights. Oh, what is that? How do I... Let's grab that. His back has been torn open. Well, obviously. It's locked. It's locked too. Damn, everything is locked. Oh! I'll take that. Am I gonna die from frostbite or something? Oh yeah, I'm losing health. Bro! Bro, can I break this? Better find... I have an axe! Room E key. Why is that there? There we go. Laboratory A. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh my god! I can't hide. I have to kill. Well, I'm dead. Oh! I'll take that. Oh! There we go. Room A. Oh! I knew somebody was gonna be there. Whoa! The doctor told me to center my eyes on rows 1, 3, and 5. Okay, I don't know what that is. The first one is definitely a star. There we go. Office key. Here it is. Room F and a kitchen key. Let me take that. Power cable, fuse, and motor oil. Let's go to room F first. Here's the screwdriver. I also have the kitchen key. And that's a big guy. There we go. Room C. Laboratory B. C34. Oh, it can melt ice. Here it is. Huh? Oh! Electric cable. Oh my god! Fucking idiot. Just wait till dinner. 735. I hope that's it. There we go. Open up. I'm fucking cold. And I saw you, bitch. No! Motor oil. I have the cable. Generator and motor oil. Now what bases? And I can only turn on 2 bases at a time. There we go. Is this how you open it? Find the keys. Oh. I'll take that. No! Oh, fuck me. Oh! Oh my god, yes. Give me all of it. Ah! Now I'm ready. Come on, bitch. There we go. Well, let me move if it's time to get out of here. After my encounter with the polar bear, I quickly went back into the garage and started up the snowcat. Once I heard the roar of the engine, I instantly left the research space as fast as the snowcat could take me. While I haven't escaped the snowstorm, I at least escaped the nightmare that is the base, and I feel like I might have a better chance at making it out of this than I did before. I might have lost a finger or two from frostbite, but at the end, I survived.